Why? Look like a ghost. Why? Nevertheless, back to the video. So as you guys can see from the title, I'll be reviewing this foundation from Stay Matte, and it's in the shade 502 Warm Caramel. Right, I got this for like 300 Jamaican dollars. $300. This lady, she have a lot of makeup stuffs, and she just sending them out cheap, $100, $200 and such. So she have this. I'm like, I use the primer for this, so let me see how the foundation works. So let's get straight into the video.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
So I'm using Pasa Pasa at the top to just blend it out.
It's V-Kills.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sad.
This liner from the lady as well for $100. Like, it was crazy. Essence, oh lord, it is amazing. Look at that. It's very nice. $100. I should only had one of these. I'm like, oh, I need all of it.
Sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about?
So I'm going to use my Stay Matte primer face.
Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb.
Time for the moment of truth. It looks very thick, so I'm hoping that I don't need a lot on my face. So it's lightweight, so let's see if that's true. That's a good little. This is a little light for me though. Alright, so I guess we don't need any more on my face because it's looking a little light. It's looking a little light for me. And look how dark it looks in the package. Like, what? Never mind that. Let's continue. I'm not using any more of this on my face, so whatever is on my face, that just got to work. Alright. It really is lightweight. I'm not feeling like I'm applying anything on my skin. Why? Look like a ghost. Why?
No 7, man, a James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing.
I don't know. Alright. Let me stop. Alright, let's continue. It dries really fast, guys, so you have to blend it out really quick. And
me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. I girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You gotta think.
We start, so we're going to finish, right?
I got Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool. Let's get the groove on. I on the cruise control, let the vibes come true. Let's make a move on. I them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress.
Let's bring this look to life, man. Sorry.
Up on me, I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Original bad man.
It's VQs.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl, I coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man, I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, and they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, and they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Original bad man.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like I mean a bad man, they want to say I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me.
Wrong brush.
Say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, and they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel.
Under that, or you can't call me a bonfire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire.
That's the finished look, guys. About this foundation, it's not 100% bad, and it's not good. I mean, it's lightweighted, as it said. It's really lightweighted. I feel like I don't have any foundation on, but the shade looks darker in person than on camera, and it is light on the face. So if you guys want to purchase this foundation, you guys definitely have to buy it darker than your shade, darker than what it looks here, because if you buy it light, if this here looks light, just imagine what the product inside will look like. It's going to be very light. Adding the rest of the products to my face, the highlight, the contour, and all of that, it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad at all. When you do your stuff, when you start, you're gonna look like a ghost, as you guys can see, as you guys saw. Other products to go with it to give you a nice finish. but the foundation on its own, I wouldn't wear it on its own, as in foundation and powder could work. Let's see that they look a while ago, that could work. But to be honest, it's not a bad thing after all, you know. Once you boop, you slap this and slap it up and fix it up, it will come round. I mean, I would rate it out of 10. I would give it a 6. I would give it a 6. The foundation on its own, I would give it a 6. I would give it a 6. I mean, it's not what I used to. I don't normally use the cream base. I like the liquids, and those are amazing. But yeah, this is the first cream base I've used, I think, and I'll give it a 6 out of 10. You can use, but yeah, you have to have patience. Because if I never had patience a while ago, well, I don't always have patience, but I had patience with that a while ago. And I'm like, it's not looking good, but I'm gonna give it a try. And I did. And my face is not looking bad. I just should have carried it on my neck, but when this video done, take 2 pictures, have a shower, all of this will be gone. Everything will be gone. But yeah, that's that. So this is the end of the video, guys. Until next time, bye. Bye guys.